What's up guys, welcome back to ROMs for you. Today let's look at latest GladiatorOS 21.11.5 running on Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro. The ROM is based upon Android 11 and updated from 5th November 2021. The build is from Ragnar and basically based upon MIUI. So to begin with, let's quickly get into about font session, as the ROM is GladiatorOS 12 21.11.5 ESports Extreme. And when you come to all specs, you will be able to see my font specifications, as well as the ROM is based upon Android 11 and uses security patch from 1st September 2021, which is not the latest of course. Kernel coupled here is PUBG, which is a Linux 4.14 based kernel. Moving forward, under lock screen settings there is option for screen timeout settings, as well as you can enable or disable double tap to wake and sleep option as well. And there is also different kind of lock screen layout. You will be able to set different charging animations without any issue. When you come to display settings, there is option for dark theme switching, and it is the same as any MIUI versions. And after scrolling a bit down, there is option for screen refresh rate selection. There is 3 options available: 60, 90 and 120 Hz. According to your need, you can select any one of them. Under notification and control center, you will be able to enable or disable new style control center. If you want the old classic quick settings panel, you can enable that as well. Wallpaper does contain some good looking wallpapers of course. You will be able to download more from here, as well as you can choose any one of them according to your need. There is also option for super wallpaper as well. Under theme settings, you will be able to download more themes from here. And one of my favorite theme is this one. I don't know what it is named as, since it is downloaded from the Chinese store. Moving forward, under password and security session, the screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock is present. And the face unlock and fingerprint are pretty faster here. Almost all the time it was capable of doing its job without any issue. Under privacy settings, the ROM is not encrypted out of the box. Under battery sessions, you will be able to list out all per app battery usage, and there is also option for battery saver options as well. You will be able to switch in between battery savers from here. The ultra power saver is available, you can switch it or schedule it from here. Under additional options, the developer option is present. The option is already enabled and you can disable if you want to. If you come to special features, the ROM does includes Game Turbo as well as the video toolbox, and the Game Turbo does look like the old one. Even though it is the old one, it is capable of doing its job. And yeah, the voice changer is available and it does works perfectly as far I checked. The new style control center animation is very smooth and responsive here. After selecting edit button, you will be able to add more tiles into the list, and it does includes all usual MIUI tiles. The ROM does also got the option for screen recorder, and it is the native one and not capable of recording internal audio and microphone at a time. Out of the box, the ROM does comes out with native MIUI camera application, and it is capable of doing almost all the job: photo, video, portrait as well as pano and slow motion. I couldn't find any issues with any of these options here. All are working pretty good. Moving forward, the ROM does pass a Saftynet checks out of the box, and the device is not rooted as well. When comes to benchmarks out of the box, Antutu scores 5,69,000 plus, and Geekbench scores for single core 748 and multi-core 2625. which are decent scores for Snapdragon 860. When you come to Google Play Store and settings, the device is also Google Play Protect certified as well, which means almost all the security features are positive here. and under DRM info the ROM does got the wideband L1 support. To understand more about performance, I did do a CPU throttling test. The test did lasted for 30 minutes, and yeah, the result was not that much pleasing one. There was major drops in graphs to yellow as well as in red, and the ROM did manage to pull out 1,64,000 plus as its average EIPS value, which is only a 54% of the Snapdragon 865's performance. I am not so sure why does the CPU throttling test is scoring bit less. And yeah, as far I tested, I couldn't find any lags or jitters in this ROM. Almost everything is working fine. And yeah, I did notice one issue. Sometimes when you browse with Google Chrome, the ROM will get frozen for a minute. After rebooting the phone, you will be able to get everything normal. I did face it only one time, so no more complaints on it. Overall, the ROM is pretty smooth and solid. Another great build from Ragnar as well as the GladiatorOS. So this is all about the latest GladiatorOS 21.11.5 ESports Extreme Edition. That's it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here, and I'll catch you in next one.